Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain. Amma ba'du. Honorable Mr. Asif Hardianto MPD as an our lecturer in classroom action research, and I'm Zalta Juvita Asidah. I will present about the research paper with the title is Improving Students' Reading Comprehension of Narrative Text Through the SQ3R Method, a classroom action research at grade 8 of SMP Negeri 3 Kota Bumi. Chapter 1, Introduction. Background of the problem. Reading is a fundamental skill in learning English. However, many students in junior high school struggle to comprehend reading text, especially narrative text. They often fail to identify main ideas, understand specific information, and interpret vocabulary in context. Based on a preliminary observation at SMP Negeri 3 Kota Bumi, it was found that the 8th grade students had low motivation in reading and their reading comprehension scores were below the minimum standard. To overcome this issue, the SQ3R strategy survey questions, read, recite, and review offers a structured approach to help students improve their reading comprehensions. This strategy encourages active reading and helps students better learn what they read. Focus of the problem. This research focused on the implementation of the HQ3R survey questions, read, recite, review, strategy to improve the reading comprehension of English narrative text among 8th grade students at SMP Negeri 3 Kota Bumi. The study also examines the challenges encountered by students and teachers during the application of this strategy in the classroom. Formulation of the problem. Based on the background and focus, the formulation of the problem in this study is as follows. Uh, First is there any significant improvement in the students' reading comprehension before and after the implementation of the HQ3R strategy in class 8 of SMP Negeri 3 Kota Bumi? The second is what are the students' response after the implementation of the HQ3R strategy in class 8 of SMP Negeri 3 Kota Bumi? Objectives of the research to find out if there is any significant improvement in the students' reading comprehension in class 8 of SMP Negeri 3 Kota Bumi before and after the implementation of the SQ3R strategy. Second is to find out the students' responses after the implementation of the SQ3R strategy in class 8 of SMP Negeri 3 Kota Bumi. Use of the research objective to improve students' reading comprehension using the SQ3R strategy, benefit theoretical as insight to teaching reading theory, partial helps teacher and students in employing reading strategy effectively. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Reading comprehension is the ability to understand and interpret written text. According to Snow 2020, it involves various skills such as decoding, vocabulary, knowledge, making inferences, and identifying main ideas. These components are essential for students to construct meaning from text effectively. Narrative texts are one of the most common types of reading materials used in junior high school. They are structured into three main parts: orientation, complication, and resolution. The main purpose of narrative text is to entertain readers and convey life experiences through storytelling. To help students understand reading text better, the SQ3R strategy can be applied as U3R for survey question, read, recite, and review. This strategy encourages students to actively interact with the text and engine in deeper processing. According to MC Walter 2020, SQ3R improves reading comprehension to help students retain information more effectively. Reading comprehension in English for language. First, many students struggle because they lack reading strategies, fast decoding issues, and feel unmotivated. Good Second is good readers don't just read, they think while reading, ask questions, and monitor their understanding. Davis and Dewey, 2024. Reading is not pronouncing words, it's about building meaning and understanding the message. Narrative text in language learning. Narrative texts include folklore stories and fables. Narrative texts are texts that the a story in English learning. These usually include traditional stories like Foltokos, the legend Sura and Baya, fable stories with animals and moralism, and modern stories. This type of the texts are familiar and enjoyable for students. They follow a structure, orientation, complication, resolution, and sometimes a moral. Narrative texts have a clear structure. Orientation introduces the characters, time, and place. Complication is the problem or conflict in the story. Resolution shows how the problem is solved. Moral or optional teaches a lesson from the story. This helps students follow the story easily and recognize important. Narrative reading encourages empathy, serial thinking, and inference. Students learn to feel, analyze, and guess meaning. Helpful tools include story maps, role play, and peer retelling. This makes reading more fun and help students understand better. SQ3R method. The SQ3R method strategy, which stands for survey, question, read, recite, and review, is a systematic reading technique that encourages students to actively engage with text by following a step-by-step process that helps them preview contents, set reading goals, monitor their understanding, and refine comprehension, making it highly effectively or improving reading skill among 8th grade English for language students who often struggle long text, unfamiliar vocabulary, and low reading motivation. SQ3R method. One, survey scheme activate real knowledge. Second, questions turn headings into questions. Third, read focus reading to find answer. Fourth, recite summarize in own words. And last, review reflect reinforce memory. Wilhelm 2023. Advantages and disadvantages of SQ3R strategy. Chapter 3, Research Methodology. Types of research. This research in categories as classroom action research, which is a reflective and collaborative approach aimed at improving teaching and learning in the classroom. Classroom action research allows teachers to take partial action, observe their impact, and make necessary changes to enhance students' outcomes. In this study, the research worked closely with the English teacher to apply the SQ3R strategy in real classroom settings. The research used both quantitative data collected through pre-test and post-test scores, and qualitative data obtained from observation, questionnaire, and interview. This combination helps provide a deeper and more accurate understanding. Location and time of research. This research was conducted at SMP Negeri 3 Kota Bumi, North Lampung, involving grade 8 students in the 2024 until 2025 academic year. The class was selected based on preliminary observation and the teacher recommendation. As a student, were found and struggled with reading comprehension, particularly in narrative text. The research was carried out over a period of 4 months from February to May 2025, consisting, consisting following stage research instruments. This study used two main research instruments to collect data, a reading test and a questionnaire. The reading test was given in two stages, pre-test and post-test, and it consists of multiple choice questions designed to measure students' reading comprehension. The material in the test focus on key reading aspects such as main idea, specific information, reference, inference, and vocabulary, and were based on narrative text relevant to the student's level. Data collection techniques, pre-test and post-test. The reading test was mentioned twice and pre-test before the SQ3R strategy was applied and as a post-test after its implementation. Each test consists of multiple choice questions that measure students' comprehension of narrative text. The test assigns five key aspects of reading questionnaire. A questionnaire was given to students after the teaching cycle were complete. It contains 10 statements, 5 related to reading comprehension, and 5 to motivation and interest in learning. Students respond using a lighter scale ranging for struggle agree and interview were conducted with some students and the English teacher to gather deeper insight into their experience using the SQ3R strategy, including its benefit and challenges in reading lesson. Over version sheet, the version sheet was used to monitor students' behavior, participation, and involvement during each lesson. It focused on the how effectively students follow the five steps of the SQ3R method: super questionnaire, read, recite, and review. And last is documentation. Data analysis techniques to analyze the data collected in this study, both quantitative and qualitative approach were applied. For the quantitative data, the research used descriptive statistics to calculate the mean, minimum, and maximum scores from the pre-test and post-test, which show the overall progress on the students. Second, again, score formula to measure how much students improve after the implementation of the SQ3R strategy. The third is a prior sample of the test processing using SPSS software to examine whether the difference between pre-test and post-test scores was statistically significant. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.